Okay, so welcome to Nexa. Welcome. All right, so today what we're going to be doing is we're going to talk about what Nexa OFS is and give you just some breakdowns and steps to how to actually use it. I just started using this platform maybe a week ago, and this thing is pretty dope. I'm not going to lie. So I'm not going to waste too much time. Let's get right into it because I know we don't want to waste time. Time is money. And let's take a look at Nexa. Okay, so here we go. Let's start at the home page. I'm just going to log out of there. Okay, so this is Nexa OFS. It is a financial or operation financial service platform. And what it does is it does it all. I mean, that's the best way I could explain it. Trades stocks for you using AI, trades crypto, or you can trade it yourself. You have access to all kind of different cryptos. Uh, let's see here. Actually, here, let's just go right here. So we'll just start right here. All right, so Nexa Me. All right, we're going to actually just log in. All right, so Nexa Me. Nexa Me is pretty much it's really honestly just what it is. It's just a cash app system that gives you the ability to look people up. These are people that have signed up with them, and it just gives me the ability to actually send them money. Put it's a gift, whatever you want to put in there, and boom, you could actually send money to a person. Uh, it's pretty much instant. Now, here's the thing: I learned this real fast. If you already have the money transferred into Nexa, which I will show you what I mean by that. Here, let's go over here. So it's called Nexa Money Vault. So if you put money already in here, and you can actually do it right from here too, which I think is pretty sweet. So if you go into your Nexa Money Vault, you can click Add Funds, Send Money, Request Money, Invest Money. So let's say you already seen that app here. We'll just start with Add Funds. So this is pretty dope. You can add cash, or you can add, um, let's see here, crypto. Okay. So you can link your bank accounts right here. You got, so this is where you can do transfers after you link your bank account. Um, See right here, you can just put the amount in. My bank account's already linked, but you can change it. See, I got a couple bank accounts already linked, and it does show you the updated amounts that's already in your bank accounts. I think that's pretty dope. Also, of course, you can see I have no money in mine right now, but okay, limit of 5,000 that you can actually deposit. That's the max. And what's dope is you can do it from a bank account using your routing number and account number. It takes 1 to 3 business days, or you can actually use a debit card. And you can see I already have one added. This is how you actually add a debit card. Okay. And just put your information in, and boom, you can actually go and deposit that money. Now, that actually happens instantly. There is a small fee. Let me see, how much is that fee again? 95 cents. Okay. That's pretty small. That's nothing. Okay, so it gives you all the explanation, processing time, and it tells you what the next volt is. Your funds are guarded by an AI-driven security engine that that analyzes every transaction, monitors for threats around the clock, and responds to suspicious activity and malicious. Okay. Oh, I'm sorry, milliseconds, not minutes. Okay. All right. So they got some pretty good monitoring here. 24/7 monitoring, real time risk scoring, AI threat detection. Okay, I like that. All right. So got that pretty much the gist down. And what this video is just mainly going to cover is just actually setting up your bank accounts. Okay, so you can click deposits. That'll take you there. Now this is what you actually see when you first log in. So this, you're gonna see cash, what you got in there. Okay, if I had stock, it'd show what I had in stock. If I have crypto, it's gonna show what I got in crypto. All right, as you can see, I don't have any money, but hey, hopefully I can make some money off of this video. All right, so now, oh, let me go back just so we don't lose ourselves. Okay, hold on. All right, so we're in money vault. I think that's where we're at. Okay, yeah. So we know we can send money. We can request money. All right. Okay, so that's where the request money is. All right, and you can use your QR code. So if a person wants, if you want to sign them up, they can just, you open up your QR code, they scan it, and boom, they can go ahead and sign up, or you can share it as an email. Okay. So let's see. All right. So you would just pretty much pick what you want. If you're doing it by WhatsApp, uh, okay. If you're doing it by email, phone link, okay. All right. You can actually save your QR code in your phone, so it's easier to share. Let's see here. Okay. Okay. So that's the WhatsApp. If you want to share it with WhatsApp, if you want to share it with email, you can click on this one. Okay. Bet. And we're just gonna get out of there. And if you want to text it to someone, you can actually click that. Let's see here. Maybe let's see what else we got here. So if you want to sell, I take it if you want to sell your stocks or whatever, you can choose which one you want to go in: stocks, crypto, metals. Oh, this is dope. So you can buy gold, silver, metal ETF. Wow, wow, this is dope. Quick trades. Okay, here's your portfolio. Oh, like I'm trying to make some money here. Watch list. Okay, so this is where you would create all your stocks you wanted to watch. These are all the cryptos. So I guess you just hit trade over here and you could try. Oh, wow, this is dope. Okay. Same thing with selling. Okay. All right. This is a really dope system here. AI engine. Okay. So you can use predicts. So you just put the symbol in there, hit get AI prediction, and it'll tell you all the information that it predicts on that particular stock. That's really sweet. Okay. All right, so this is another thing I learned. Check this out. All right, see where we are? Okay, so what's really dope about this platform is you can actually connect different trading platforms to it. So I set up an alpaca, and you can actually click this, and using, they use Plaid really nicely. I mean, Plaid is just plugged in everything. So if you've ever used Plaid or signed up, for online banking or something, then 9 chances out of 10 you're already connected to Plaid. So Plaid will find your bank accounts, whether you use an email address or you use a telephone number. So it saves you from having to, get the whole account number, user ID, and all that other stuff. You could just do it right through here. See, right down here, you can enter your API key and credentials, which you can already get from like Alpaca or Coinbase, but it's easier if you just connect via Plaid, because now you don't have to do all that stuff. So you can click Alpaca, Coinbase, Kraken, and OKX. Now, what's dope about this is each one of these platforms has some kind of AI bot that they already use. And what happens is Nexa will work with that particular bot to enhance your trading. Okay. And each one of these platforms kind of do some different things. So, like, I believe with Alpaca, like, Alpaca lets you trade stocks, or no. OKX actually lets you trade stocks. Actually, it tells you right down here. So, okay. Alpaca, zero commissions on your trades, fractional shares. So that means you can If you got your alpaca connected, that means you can buy fractional shares like Stash. If you've ever heard of them, they let you buy like micro shares, and it's AI powered trade insights. So all that will work with Nexa. And then look at Coinbase. So Coinbase gives you over 200 crypto assets, earn crypto rewards, advanced charting. Now you can access all that through this platform. So you don't have to, you're already logged into your Coinbase. Um, OKX gives you copy top trades, spot trading, AI bot compatible. Now this one's the best one because it's AI bot compatible. So Nexus AI bot will work with OKX's trading bot. Really good success. You should have really good success using this. Earn and staking. I love that. 350 cryptos. So you see the difference. Each one of these platforms that you're connected to is going to give you additional services where you're pretty much tying all these company services into one platform, and it gives you an explanation on how you can use the API key. But like I said, use Plaid. See, each one of these will give you the ability to use Plaid. So, okay, this one I think you can just connect already through your Coinbase account. So, just the best thing I suggest is just already be logged into your Coinbase. See, sign up for Coinbase. But if you're already signed in, it should just log you right in, or update Coinbase connection. So that's another thing you could use. All right, so I think I covered everything that I wanted to really cover. I'm gonna do another video where we talk about a whole bunch of other stuff. I mean, really, what I want to do is just 15-minute videos. I don't want to sink you with so much stuff that you can't even remember half the shit I said. So we're just gonna start with 15-minute videos and 15-minute increments, um, and we'll just go from there. Just so that you know, okay. So see how it says Connect Exchange? All right, so if you go to right here, Connect Exchange, that's how you get to all the trading platforms. So just understand if that's where you're trying to get to, because you're gonna have to connect your Alpaca, your Coinbase, you're gonna OKX and your Kraken. Now you can actually, instead of having to go to these sites, on their own, you can actually just go right through here. So once you click on that, it'll actually connect you, take you to the sites and everything, help you sign up, the whole nine and a third. So just know that, just to save you a lot of time. And then once it's connected, you'll see it up here. See, I don't know why the OKX is not showing, because it is connected here. See, right here. Okay, I see it is saying live. So I don't know. Maybe that's like a little glitch they have. Kraken, I don't have it connected yet. I haven't even set up the account. Um, okay, so you do have to, when you do trading, you know what? We'll get into trading on the next video.